Russia's most modern tank, the T-90, is seeing heavy losses in recent time. Many cases the Ukrainian drone army makes sure these can't return to the battlefield, making sure they are taken out for good. As a single small drone could do the job to destroy even a T-90M tank. It depends mostly on how the drone hits and with what warhead, as the back section is generally the best position. But due to geography, drone signal, control over the drone with more, the perfect section can't be hit every time. But even a hit anywhere is most likely to do some damage, which compared to most of the time being a cheap drone are worth the exchange, as seen here where two Ukrainian FPV drones strike a Russian T-90 tank, as the first hit the turret, which could cause major damage depending if hitting explosive reactive armor or not, but will at least damage sensors at the minimum. The second FPV drone hits the front section, which is the most heavily armored, but can reduce the armor protection, damaging the track or possibly penetrate with a shaped charge, leaving the T-90 tank in a worse condition than before, destroying another Russian tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.